Hi there. It's now Wolf Territories Grid. I want to talk a bit today about some of the new things we've got going on the grid. So I'm here at Luxor. You've got to visit this place if you want to. So first of all, I'm going to talk about some of the networking stuff we've got that's going to really help you if you're not close to Dusseldorf in Germany, where the servers are. So basically, we're now using something called Cloud Flare Argo routing, and that means a lot of the content and things that you download, like the map and everything like that, will be cached at servers near you. And the other thing is, one of the really cool things it does as well is that it's like a GPS for the internet, so it kind of knows where the traffic is getting logged up. This has only been installed today, so we'll be enjoying seeing it. So if I teleport over to Wolf Territories, welcome. You can see we're here and see how fast things res and everything like that. That's mainly because although I'm in the UK and the grid is in Dusseldorf in Germany in the data center, what's actually happening is that it's finding the shortest route to the server. Now let me give you a demonstration of that. So if I go to Bing. So for those of you who don't know what this is, so basically this is I'm pinging the server. I've got 5 milliseconds from between me here and the grid. So what that effectively means is that that's really, really tiny network speed, and it's the sort of speed you'd expect on a local network server through a router or two, I suppose. But we've got it here, even though so that means that a lot of things like downloading inventory and assets are going to be much quicker, as long as we're not overloading the server. And so that's going to really help with people who are not in the UK or are not in Germany and not near the servers, because it will find the nearest place. So another thing I wanted to show you is a little place here called the White House. Okay, if I TP over to that. And the White House is the White House. It is the White House. It's a model of the White House, basically. So I cleared my cache before I came here, so this is loading. This is empty. So if you come over to the White House, you can fly over to this building over here and walk over or fly over, whatever you'd like to do. That terrain over there was generated by the terrain generator, by the way. So I'm just going to wander into the White House itself. So you could go into the. This is obviously the Oval Office, and you're very welcome to take pictures in here and pretend you're the President of the United States of America or wherever you'd like to be. So just a thing. On Friday we're having our carol service here in the gardens. You can get married here if you want to. We've got the stuff in there to do it, and then we're going to have a little present there. And that over there is Wolffest region for our shows. But I just wanted to show you the White House because I'm pretty pleased with it. Unfortunately, we haven't got anything in those buildings over there, but that'll happen over time. I've just got to do some stuff with the mesh for this building because it's got no insides, and there's things to do to sort that out. So, Argo routing is something that is really exciting, really interesting. It is very difficult to actually put on a grid because of the way that grids work and the way that you need to route traffic. But a lot of our data that we transfer across from the grid is transferred from our two cloud storage, so we're able to use that kind of routing system. So you see just how fast everything is, even though I'm recording. Normally when I record, and if you've seen my videos before, will notice that when I record it sometimes lag gets a bit slow. It doesn't lag. I'm not going to stay there because Danny's there and he's going to start talking to me. So I'm going to pretend I did the same. Sorry, Danny. Very rude. This is Europa, by the way, which is this is Jimmy Olsen's region, isn't it? Yeah. So this is a little home I've got here. But you can see how fast you can bounce around the grid. It's really, really quick. And even though I'm quite a long way from the servers, not everything is routed through Argo routing. So, for instance, internal traffic across the network that we're using inside the data center. So if I pull up my, if I pull up part of the Proxmox cluster here, you can see all these servers. They won't be using Argo routing because they're next to each other. So they'll just be routing to very close to each other. And you can see we kind of manage all this thing. All these servers have got monitoring on them. So they do things like they measure their disk space, and if they get upset and run out of disk space, they have a big shout and scream. Don't know what else to say, really. I suppose just one more thing. Have a really lovely Christmas. Anybody who watches my video channel. I know this is kind of boring technical stuff, but I hope it made it a bit more interesting by bouncing around to other parts of the grid. Let's just snip over to Wolf Manor. If I wasn't recording, actually, I will say that if I wasn't recording, you might see a teleport without, where it doesn't bring the black screen up, where it just reses the next region because it comes so fast. So yeah, so this is one Wolf Manor. Come over to there if you want to. Bounce around to here. Considering we have 27,000 equivalent Second Life regions on this grid, you can see how fast it is. It's really, really busy. And I hope you all enjoy it. Please do sign up for a free account. Please do come along and see me if you want to have a chat. We've got lots of new things happening. We've got some really exciting educational projects on with some universities. Bobby's been very good with RAI. What can I say? I think 2024 is going to be a great year for the grid. I just want to invite you all to come and try it out. Come over, get a free account, or just visit with your avatar from another grid if you want to. We don't discriminate here. Yeah, thanks very much. So the website is www.wolf-grid.com. That's where you sign up for things and try things out. There's a lot of features. I can't go into them all right now, but like our control panel and everything like that for region owners and stuff like that. Please remember that this is a huge, huge grid, and we're really excited at the moment. There's lots and lots of things going on. Have a great day. Thanks very much. I'm signing off.